Hi there. In this video, we're going to look about parametric differentiation. So we have two given equations. Here you can see in parametric differentiation, so we are given a parametric equation. So you can see we have three different variables, x, y, and t. But we are trying to look for derivative of dy by dx. So now the thing is how we will come up with this one. So let's have a look on this example. So first of all, what we can do here, we simply differentiate. But this time, since you can see that variable, independent variable is t, so we will differentiate with respect to t. So if so derivative of cos is, as you remember, minus sine. So minus sine 3t, and then we will look for the angle derivative, which is 3. So that means if we just simplify this one, so this will become minus 15 sine 3t. Similarly, if we differentiate y with respect to t, so what we will do, keep 2 as it is since it's a coefficient, and we know the derivative of sine is cos. So when we are differentiating, so whatever angle is here, we don't need to look for. Simply we need to recall what is the derivative of sine. As you know, this is cos. So just write the whole expression as it is, and then look for the angle. Whether if the angle is more than 1, then at that time you have to differentiate the angle. So once you're going to differentiate the angle, so derivative of 3t will be 3. So now if you simplify, so this will become 6 cos 3t. Now the thing is, here we are looking for dy by dx, but we have dy by dt and dx by dt. So now here what we can do, we are trying to use the chain rule. So we'll just stretch this dy by dx, and here we will insert the third variable, which is what, dt and dt. So once we come up with this one, so now we can insert the values. So as you can see, dy by dt is clear, we have that, so we can put it here. But the second one we need to replace by dt by dx, but right now we have dx by dt. So what we're gonna do, to find dt by dx, we need to reciprocate that one. So this will become 1 over minus 15 sine 3t. So now plug this here, so 1 over minus 15 sine 3t. So just simplify this a little bit more. So here you can see the 6 and 15, they both can cancel out by 3. So 3 times 2, 3 times 5, so you'll get minus 2 cos 3t over 5 sine 3t. And then from here you can just recall this, because you have cos over sine, so which will give you cot. So this is cot 3t. So in this way we are able to find dy by dx. Hope you like this one. Thanks for watching.